Wow. I had a powerful conversation with my daughter this morning, and it pricked a lot of thoughts that came to the forefront of my mind. And it's so beautiful that you can have conversations with people and parts of you open up that need to be opened up. You know, with the situation of us, looking outside of ourselves for a savior. Well, I have to say this week was a very significant turning point in my understanding as far as how those ideas actually work. You know, we have been giving our power away by denying ourselves the abilities that we have, our innate ability to create, you know. We still do it, but we do it with limitations. One of the things that I'm learning is that there is a Most High. Of course, there's a Most High. However, we, being fractions of that Most High, have been endowed with the same abilities that the Most High has, just like any other type being on the planet is endowed with whatever their parent has. You know, the beautiful thing is that our creator, or our one, or that we are a fraction of, has so many different I can't even say these English words are minimize things so much, but I would say so many possibilities. And that brings me to the idea that just came to mind, and that we look at this planet as like a home to live in. But in fact, what it is the realm of possibilities. We were born into the realm of possibilities, and we have the proper type vessels to be able to experience the sensory experience. These hands, these feet, this skin, these eyes, the ears, everything. You know, how our emotions shake our systems. We are vibrational beings, you know, and we were allowed to be here to express a sensory experience. Each individual. And we're all being so minimized down to fractions of what we really are. And every single time I gain another fraction back from what was hidden from me, and I won't say stolen because it can't take it, it's still there. You just might be hidden because whatever it is that you have learned in your life have not pointed to it yet. When it opens up, you say, "Oh, I got an epiphany," or I got a message, or it's you. It's been locked in you this whole time. It's just that whatever individual, entity, thought process, or situation pricked that consciousness or that part of your consciousness, and it came to the front. Wow, I didn't even know I had that. Yeah, you do. Everybody does. You know, and that's one of the things, or one of the weapons that was used against us, is the weapon of unknowing, the fear of the unknown. Because we know that there's something special about us, but we just don't know what it is. And we rely on everybody else outside of ourselves to tell us and give us kudos. When each individual has so many different dimensions just in that one little body, just in that one little thought, just in that one little expression. And I say little because we are a drop in the bucket to the Most High. You know, we are very important because we are Him and He is us. We are a drop in the bucket because there are so many. Our experience is important just like the next. However, depending on how we walk this experience is what, we had the opportunity to have a front row seat. And now that I know, like I said, that my eyes have been opened up more to what it is and why it is that we're here. And I got a front row seat in my movie. I'm creating this. Whatever decision I make in my day-to-day, I made that decision. Although I may have individuals around to assist with the motion of my experience or the emotion of my decision, that decision was solely based on me. And that's every individual. We have to stop looking outside of ourselves, looking for some savior. Because ultimately, the only one that picks up your feet and goes to wherever it is that you need to go, whether it be to the bathroom, to work, to the supermarket, or I'm just using those as examples because it could be so much more. We're the ones that have to carry ourselves there or direct someone to do it for us. The idea is that this is our individual experience, our sensory experience. And the world has been made difficult in order for us not to be able to experience it properly so that we won't manifest outside of this little box. Because once we figure out who we are, the manifestations are going to go online and we about to see some powerful minds open up. And what will result is magnificent. Magnificent. And I want to be there. I want to be there. No, I am there. Hey, look, I told you I just learned it. I am there. I am there. So, like I said, when the actual linear time happens for this experience, I'm looking forward to all the beautiful faces that I'm going to see that are having the same experience and understand what it is so that we can get down right. I'm talking about right. So that's the decision that I've made, that I'm already there. I'm already there. I just got to take those steps in order to arrive. However, those are my thoughts of the day, and there'll be more, because every day is a journey that we're walking. It's an experience, a sensory experience that we're walking. And even the ones who we see to be negative in our experience, those are the individuals sometimes that prick us with a little bit of force to make us turn the page. So we must thank them too. Everything is not as simple as it looks. Some things are very, very deliberate. And everything is for your growth and development, if you see it right. Wow.